small yard design ideas to sit and relax outside the home. Everyone needs a place to sit and be for a while, all the better if it's tucked away in a neat little garden. It is advisable to design a recreation area in accordance with the purpose of the area, whether it is recreation or entertainment. It can be as simple or complex as you like. There is always room for a table for two. If you are someone who likes to eat, have a morning coffee or a cocktail in the fresh air, try setting up a place for a bistro table. Cover it with a small awning or umbrella to create some shade on those sunny southern days. Outdoor living space is more than an extension of your home. It is a space for joint activities of families. Contributes to the strengthening of family relations. If you want a low maintenance space, choose natural stone, gravel or wood instead of grass. That way, you never have to worry about cutting the grass. And if you still want some greenery, place some potted plants and small trees around the space. If it's a fenced area, add some creeping ivy. If your small backyard is forever feeling challenged and compromised, you may be rethinking its design. The biggest way to make a difference is with clever small yard landscaping ideas, which can significantly improve a compact space. But there are many other areas in which you can enhance a small backyard that don't require a ton of work or expense. There are also many yard art ideas you can include to act as focal points and draw the eye, making the space feel larger.